Alright, so this is day one of random Python projects to do, and man, I'm glad to have you on this channel. Please hit the subscribe button if this is your first time here. Do well to like the video and share, because we're going to be doing something great today. Although I don't even know what I have in mind to do, I don't have in mind to do anything. That is why I tagged this random Python project. So I'll just be thinking of anything that comes into my mind. Go. So yeah, I don't really think I can just start into doing anything. I can just start with something random. I created a folder for random Python shit. I have something here. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do random Python project every day and upload every day. I'm gonna be uploading videos every day for this playlist and till it's done. And I don't think we're even gonna stop this, because every day I'm out there trying to build something new, and of course it's random. Yeah, we can even end up building a tool today, I don't know. Alright, I'm thinking something user authentication. Something user authentication. Should we build a user authentication system, or let's do something really simple? Something really simple. Then gradually we upgrade it, maybe in another video. If this video gets too long, I might cut it out, or I don't know. So alright. Alright. Let's start with let's start something. Let's just name this bank, because it has to be user authenticated. Okay, let's do something like bank. A terminal bank. Yeah, that's gonna be great. Bank.py. Let's name that bank.py. So great. And alright. Might wanna turn up some music to enjoy the vibe. I don't know how the audio is come out way before I do that. Oh, that music is very nice. Alright, so we're starting. So we're doing like a terminal banking application. So just something to probably create a bank account and log in, transfer. Yeah. So let's go. Putting random, we all know what random does. Okay, so the banking application is surely going to need somewhere to store its information, like a database. But I don't want to start doing anything obscure right now. Neither do I want to create a JSON file. Something really easy, like I said. So let's go with users. I create an empty list. Yeah, that was it. Now, what? Okay, we need to make a decision. Are we going to do? Okay, how is the person going to get to login? Right, the first screen. The first screen. Let's do it. Oh. Welcome to. Sorry. Yeah, people try for bounce. That's great, man. Okay. So after that, we just put in something. Okay, this is working great. We just okay. So we print. Oh god. Why the hell am I going through that? Right. I don't know. I'm not really getting ideas. I'm not good at ideas. The ideas just they come on their own. Whenever I do something really cool, they come on their own. So I don't really know. I'm just doing anything that comes into my mind. I feel it's nice. I feel like yes should be repeating constantly so that if the user completes this action, it gets to sorry, what do you call it? Like to receive the option again. Let's do a loop in there. Yeah. Okay, I gotta fix the screen. I'm sorry about this. I gotta fix the screen first. I want to see the full screen or something. Okay, let's just keep it like this. I want the terminal through. I want it to be full screen. What if the video is not clear? Okay, let's just keep it like this. We keep adjusting it. However, it's clear. Okay. So, oh, back. So I wanted this to be like looping so that the new guys can like get. Make sure you get. So we're going to do a loop there. How about this? Now, this guy is always coming, right? So if we run it, oh, I gotta adjust the screen. Okay, let me just adjust the screen permanently. Not go to this first again. Yeah, so it's in this now. What the hell? Line 1. New music on first. I'm liking that music. Well, we're not looking at that. So, man, can I